All right, so after a year of driving around really and having all the stock 30-year-old suspension on here, I'm starting to take off everything, putting on new ball joints and bushings, and I'm taking the Commonwealth kit, and instead of having it just be a bolt-on, I'm getting it ready to weld everything on, and then I'll have everything powder coated when I'm done. So in order to make sure that everything is accessible before bolting everything on, I trimmed up some of this here so that you can access the bolt holes from underneath. So I'm cleaning up all the areas where everything's going to be welded, and then they're not in bad shape. They're not in horrible shape. A little bit of blast work and some powder coating and a little bit of some detail work, and I think these are going to be just fine. Plus, they're the originals. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep going on this, and I'll take another video when I'm done.